Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by memorizing core controls. Press it to jump and hold it for a higher jump. Press B to run or to build speed before jumps for longer distance. Use the D-pad or left stick for precise movement, walk slowly for tight platforming, and hold down to crouch and slide through low gaps. Combine run plus jump to clear wider pits. Time your landings to avoid knockback and learn enemy patterns so you can jump on them safely or avoid contact entirely. Collect power-ups early. A mushroom gives 1 extra hit and a flower grants ranged fireballs. Both change how you approach danger. Jump on Goombas, Koopas, and similar enemies to defeat them safely. Hit Koopas twice to kick or hold shells, then use shells to clear distant enemies or activate switches. Avoid unnecessary contact by learning enemy movement arcs and using platforms if you lose a power-up. Retreat to a safe ledge to wait for respawn items or to plan a different route through the level. Approach each stage with both speed and curiosity. Run toward the flagpole to finish quickly, but probe pipes and jump suspicious spots to reveal secret areas and alternate exits leading to bonus stages. Search for hidden blocks above platforms and near background scenery to uncover extra coins, 1-ups, or shortcuts. Collecting 100 coins rewards an extra life, and 1-ups keep you progressing through difficult sections. Balance risk and reward. Use checkpoints and replay levels to memorize layouts and master precision for full completion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.